Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign into your primary Ps4 account before you attempt to redeem a code. This prevents accidental credits to the wrong account and saves time. Check that the card specifically states PlayStation Store and shows a 12-character code printed or revealed. Note the card value such as 0 or 0 so you can verify the final balance after redemption. Keep your internet connected and have your PlayStation Network password nearby for any sign-in prompts that may appear during the process. From your Ps4 home screen, open the PlayStation Store and scroll to the menu. Select Redeem Codes and prepare to enter the 12-character code shown on your card. Type the characters exactly as printed, include hyphens if the card shows them, and double-check each letter and number. Confirm the code entry and wait for the store to process the redemption. Finally, check your account balance to verify the 0 or 0 credit appears and is ready to spend immediately. If the code does not redeem, first confirm the card region matches your PSN country settings and account region. Re-enter the 12-character code slowly to rule out typing errors and check for any smudged or obscured characters on the card. If problems persist, contact PlayStation support and provide your purchase receipt and the unredeemed card information for help. Keep the physical card and receipt until the issue resolves and the credit shows in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.